Mercier primer first. Then Benefits PoreFessional, cover up any pores, mostly my T-zone, under my eyes. I use Makeup Forever foundation. And the first part, I just usually do it around my eyes because I have to get my face together but for my brows. So I just do the top part of my foundation. And then I go into my brows. So I leave the bottom part. I don't do my whole face foundation yet, just in case I have fallout from the eyeshadows or whatever. So I'm just doing my brows. You know, brows take a minute. I'm still doing them. They have to be perfect. So my brows, just doing the brows. And that's my concealer, and I used NC35 matte concealer underneath. All right, and then I go in with the eyeshadow primer, and that's from Benefit also. No, it's not. It's from Too Faced. Too Faced primer. All right, so I went in with the Core Obsessions palette by Huda Beauty for like one of those shades as a transition color. And just blend, 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 because it's going to be a dark, smoky eye, so blend as you go. It's a process. And then I went in with a second color, which is a little bit darker brown. And I'm just blending that in, blending away. Gotta blend, blend. Okay, so I decided I didn't know which way I was going with this look, so I just finished one eye. And so the rest of this would just be the whole look. I finished the other eye first, and I was like, you know what? Let me just do this eye and then just start the other one. So yeah, I put on that's Max Paint Pot in Black Black. No, it's a stick. What is it called? Oh my gosh, it's the Max stick, and it's a pro stick, and it's in Black Black. And I just put that down as a base for the black and the blue that I will be applying. It's almost like a halo smoky eye. So I'm on top of that, I'm putting on Max Carbon in the inner corner and the outer corner, blending, going back and forth between the shadows, blending out the harsh lines. Blend, blend, blend. Black, you apply a little as you go. Too much black can mess the whole eye up. And you'll see me going back and forth between both eyes because I felt like the other eye wasn't quite how I wanted it, but we're going to get it there. I'm just still blending. Just blending. And that is Huda Beauty's Gemstones. And then I use the blue for the middle part. Just I wet the brush with Fix Plus while applying that right there to the middle of my lid. Gotta make that blue pop. That blue is real pretty. So yeah, I'm just adding, make sure it's the way I want it. Blending in the black and the blue together. And still blending over top. Adding black little by little. Just blending it out. The whole thing with a smoky eye, you have to blend forever, especially if it's a black smoky eye. You will be sitting there blending your life away for that seamless, perfect look. Takes a little time. So I just clean it up a little bit with a MAC makeup wipe. You know, get the lines nice and crisp. And I went back in to finish the rest of my face with my foundation. before I do everything else. Let me put my foundation in, get in the corners of my nose because I'm oily there, so I gotta make sure everything is straight. That is Makeup Forever's HD foundation in 173, and I'm using that was ColourPop's medium dark 32 concealer. Highlight the parts of my face. Got a wet beauty blender. I started off with the Eco Tools one. That's a nice one. But something about the beauty blender, I had to go back to the beauty blender. It's a little bit softer and easier to work with. I like the Eco Tools blender for actually putting on the powder. But yeah, I just went back and forth between both. And they both were damp. And I'm just bouncing the beauty blender on my face. Blending it out. So I do all this before I was able to even do my under eye makeup with the shadows. Then I'm using Sacha Buttercup to set my under eye concealer everywhere I put the concealer at my highlighted places, especially under my eye, to set so I wouldn't crease up under the eye. Just getting that nose contour right. Let that sit for a second. I don't really bake under my eye too much. I just leave it sitting on there for a little bit and I just take it off. I don't really bake because I got oily skin, but sometimes up under the eye it'd be too dry or something. It's just weird, so I just don't leave it on. I put it on and take it off. Right here I'm going in with ColourPop's concealer in dark 52, deep dark 52, dark deep 52, contour of my face. And I'm just gonna blend it out with the MAC stippling brush. And this video is going to cut off. So yeah, right when I was finishing up my face, before I even got to do the under eye and finish doing the rest of my face, like finish the face up period of the video, I lost memory, ran out of memory. So it kind of ends, but I do have the pictures up of the finished look after this. So I just blended it back out with my foundation brush so I have seamless. I don't want no lines, harsh lines. And thanks for watching, but it's about to cut off. Thank you.